Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MOMOV2 token. Now this token is about to start their pre-sale on Pinksale.finance. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the MOMOV2 token is an Ethereum token. They're having a public pre-sale, and their pre-sale is about to start August 23rd, 13 hours UTC time. And it runs until August 25th, 10 hours UTC time. So almost 2 full days. Now, minimum buy for this pre-sale is going to be 0.001 ETH. And max buy is 5 ETH. Now, initial market cap estimate is $280,838. So soft cap for this pre-sale is going to be 25 Ethereum. And there is a hard cap. And the hard cap is 100 ETH. So either time will run out, pre-sale will go for almost 2 days, and time will run out. And if they pass 25 ETH, then it's a successful pre-sale. Or when they reach 100 Ethereum, pre-sale will be over. So if you missed the pre-sale, though, and you're looking to get this token shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Uniswap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the MOMOV2 token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, momo-erc.com/V2. You probably won't have to change slippage because it says 0% buy and sell tax. And liquidity will be locked on Uniswap for 1,095 days. So there's 18 decimal places on this token. There's a total supply of 1 trillion tokens. Now, it says Momo is a meme coin with utilities for continuous growth in the crypto world. The mission of the Momo team is to keep building utilities and generate revenue for its holders to avoid getting the hype drained. No buy and sell tax, 30 plus partnerships. Mainnet MOMOV2 launched 3 main utilities. The Momo Swap is live, Momo Launchpad is live, and the Momo Wallet app is live. So basically, it's not just a meme coin, even though it looks like a Pepe type meme coin. There is a bunch of utilities, and they're already live. So they're not just, like these regular meme coins that come out and they have these crazy roadmaps where they say they're going to have all this metaverse and play to earn stuff in the future, and it never happens. This token already has a bunch of utilities and they're already out, so that's great to see. So Uniswap plus 2 crypto exchanges, tier 1 and 2, it says. No vesting IDO, TGE 100%. So they do have a full audit. And you can check that audit on Pinksale. They were audited by Cyberscope, and you can view the PDF of that audit. Now, according to their token metrics pie chart, 9% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 4.6% liquidity, 25% IDO pre-sale, 14% farming, staking and marketing, 9% reserve, 9% crypto exchange listings, 8% seed round, 5% development, 5% marketing, 5% staking and farming rewards, and 1% crypto exchange listings. So, and then another 5% developments, it says. So, Besides that, they do have a Telegram you could join if you want to. It is at MomoWales_lounge, and they have 1,712 members on their Telegram already. You can go check that out. I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen there so you guys can check that out as well. 41,500 Twitter followers, and they have 1,766 posts. Blue verified checkmark at Momo ERC on Twitter, and they have 2 different Telegram links on there that you could check out. And yeah, they're talking about their Pinksale pre-sale there in their pinned tweet, so check that all out on their Twitter. Now, if you go to their webpage, you can find all the utilities there. You can also go to app.momo-erc.com/V2. That's where you can find some apps, connect your wallet. So Momo is a meme coin with utilities for continuous growth in the crypto world. The mission of Momo's team is to keep building utilities and generate revenue for its holders. Supported chains are Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Base, Arbitrum, etc. And they have upcoming IDOs on here that they show. So they have different tiers that you can get involved with for staking. So it shows you staking allocation size, staking requirement size, guaranteed allocation, how many days is the staking period, etc. So you can check out all those. They show the finished IDOs. So they just completed the seed round for their MOMOV2 token, and that's most likely where this initial market cap estimate of $280,000 comes from, is because they already had a seed round. They have tons of partners, like an insane amount of I can't even go through all of them, too many partners here. So they have multi-chain IDOs. Join IDOs on multiple blockchains in a single click. Support game by providing LP, or just stake the game and get rewards. Top up USDT to buy allocation, verify wallet, start staking. Now they have a roadmap on their page here, starting with media releases, billboards, holders, Tier 1 central exchange listings, development. They have the Momo swap going live, listings, airdrops, marketing, press releases, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, crypto exchange listings, more holders, billboards, media releases, Tier 1 central exchange listings, etc. They have different Telegram links to different team members. You can check out all their different team members on Telegram. You can apply for an IDO if you want to do that. Check out their full white paper. Download the MOMOV2 wallet. Check out the MOMOV2 DEX. It's all available at momo-erc.com/V2. And check out this pre-sale on Pinksale, because it's about to start very soon. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment down there. What do you guys think? Check out the referral codes. Check out the Patreon link down there. Check out my Facebook down there. All sorts of cool stuff. Now, thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.